In the vibrant waters of the tropics, the giant trevally stands out as a formidable predator. These fish, growing up to 170 centimeters and over 80 kilograms, are known for their strength and agility. Uniquely, they hunt birds by leaping out of the water, catching unsuspecting terns mid-air. Intelligent and strategic, they often hunt in groups, using teamwork to increase their success. Adaptable to various habitats, from reefs to open ocean, they blend into shadows by changing color. This behavior, along with their speed and power, makes the giant trevally a true marvel of nature.